In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing transactions from your bank or credit card to QuickBooks Online. If you found that your account in QuickBooks Online is missing some transactions, don't worry. I'll walk you through manually uploading these transactions using a supported file. First, let's navigate through the QuickBooks Online interface. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Once you're in the Transactions area, you'll want to look for the Bank Transactions tab. This is where we will be focusing our efforts today, as we work to fill in those missing transaction details. Now, take a look toward the upper right corner of your screen. There, next to the Link Account button, you'll see a small carrate icon. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu with a few options to choose from. What you're looking for here is the Upload from File option. This is the key to manually bringing in those missing transactions. Select this option to proceed. In this next step, you'll be prompted to select the account where you want to add these transactions. It's important to make sure you're choosing the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've made your selection, you're ready to upload your file. You can do this easily by dragging and dropping your prepared file into the designated field. QuickBooks Online supports various file types, such as CSV, QFX, and others. Double-check and ensure your file is in an acceptable format to weave through this process seamlessly. After you've dragged and dropped your file into the field, QuickBooks Online will begin the upload. However, it's crucial to pay attention after the upload is complete, as sometimes you might need to make some corrections. If the uploaded data doesn't completely match your expectations or appears incomplete, QuickBooks gives you the chance to correct any discrepancies. This step is essential to ensure that everything aligns perfectly with your bank or credit card statements. And there you have it. You've successfully added missing transactions to your QuickBooks Online account. This straightforward process will help you keep your financial records accurate and up to date, ensuring you have a comprehensive view of your finances whenever you need it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your books with more ease and confidence.